Sometimes it's cold on the beach, but shelling keeps us warm.
What's up, YouTube? Y'all ready for some shelling?
Hey y'all, welcome to the virtual shelling channel. We are at beautiful Mexico Beach. Let's walk a rack line and see what we find. Broken kitten's paws there. There's a frag. There's another one. Looks like another one up here. Well, that's one of the benefits of shelling. You never know what you'll find when you're beachcombing.
If you're like me, love beaching, shelling, and all that beachy kind of stuff, then please hit the subscribe and notification buttons so you don't miss out on any future content.
Another one. Let's follow this wash up the beach and see what we find. Well, this looks like a... Oh, I thought it was going to be a whole one. Looked like there was a shadow underneath. Baby's ear, cockle, well, that's a nice jingle there. Another cockle. Alright, getting a little higher here. Oh, look at that. That would have been nice. A couple side by side. Pretty nice bay scallop and a really colorful cockle. It's beautiful.
Every once in a while you have to look up from the shells and enjoy the beauty of the Gulf.
Bay scallop, nice big jingle. Here's another spot that washed down. Did okay in that last spot. Let's walk up here and see what we can find. Glass, pick that up so no one steps on it. Prickly cockle. Crossbarred Venus. Almost missed the coral frag. Boy, this has got to be the most coral I found in like forever.
I'm definitely not a fan of getting wet in the winter. However, I have my water boots on today, so let's go check out the water and see if we can find some shells. It was a nice winter stroll on Mexico Beach. So good to get back after Hurricane Michael. Thank you all for watching, and hope to see you all back out on the beach. Take care.